City of Chattanooga garbage truck. We have our BVA 20-ton hydraulic maintenance Porta power. That's what it is. That's the whole name of it. Tongue twister. And we have to push this 1/4-inch plate down. We don't have a lot of pressure that we need, but we bought this tool for doing these trash trucks, and we're gonna pump it up and push against the ceiling and push our 1/4-inch plate down against the substructure that we built for it. Holy cow, we pushed the roof skin off.
Yeah.
Just joking. Just a little bit of love, that's all we need. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a stripper pole, but it could be.